3A02. Let me just double check if this is the... Yes. So last time when I was doing this question on the A-level math paper, I make a horrible mistake. So today I'm going to fix that. First, we have this matrix, and the part A is we are going to show that this matrix is non-singular. To do so, we can just find the determinant. If the determinant of M is not equal to 0, then we can say that it has an inverse, therefore this right here is non-singular. Part B is where I made the mistake. We will find the inverse of M if this right here does have an inverse. I will still show you guys a shortcut because a shortcut does work. It's just I put down the wrong number in the previous video. But anyway, though, here we go. Let's go ahead and compute the determinant of M. Since this is a 3x3 matrix, so we can do the shortcut this way. Just go ahead and copy down the first two columns right here. So we have A, 2, 4, and then 2, 3, A. And then we are going to multiply diagonally this way first, and then add up the results. And then we will subtract the product of the diagonal from the other way. Yeah. So A times 3 times 2 is 6A. And we add 2 times 0 times 4 is 0. And then we add negative 3 times 2 times A is negative 6A. Then we are going to subtract, and we go the other way. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And then A times 0 times A is 0. And then negative 3 times 4, we get negative 36. So plus negative 36, like that. Now, as we can see, 6A and negative 6A cancel. And then this is 8 minus 36, which is negative 28. Instead of this negative, so altogether we get positive 28. So the determinant of M is 28, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, we know we have an inverse for M. And to find the inverse, there's also a shortcut for the 3x3 matrix. First, I'm going to write this down again. So we have A, 2, 4, and then 2, 3A, negative 3, 0, 2. Then I'm going to copy down the first two columns, just like what we did last time. Huh? So A, 2, 4, 2, 3A. And I will still copy down the first two rows. A, 2, negative 3, 2, 3, 0. So far, so good. I didn't do anything wrong last time up to this point. Now, you see, we are missing a corner here. And then finally, you're going to complete like a bigger matrix. You are going to copy down. Okay. This right here. 3A02. Let me just double check if this is the... Yes. This corner, it's not from here. These corners are actually from here. That's where I went wrong. So I'm going to write down A, 2, and then 2, 3. And then we are going to get rid of the first column and then the first row. And then we'll look at these numbers in the way of 2 by 2. So this is the first one, and then this is the second one, and then this is the third one, so on. We have 9 of them, and this right here will help us to get the cofactor matrix. And when you do this, you do not have to worry about the plus, negative, plus. You do not have to worry about the signs alternating. No. So that's a beauty for that. That said, I can tell you M inverse will be, we do 1 over the determinant of M. And then let's go ahead and write down the cofactor matrix for this. So look at this as a 2 by 2 matrix and then find the determinant. So we just have to do 3 times 2, which is 6, minus this times that, which is 0. So the first number is 6. Continue. This times that is 0, minus this times that is negative 4. Continue. 2a minus 12. And then here we have this times that is negative 3a, minus this times that, which is minus 4. And then this times this is 2a minus this times that. So minus negative 12 is plus 12. And then this times that is 8 minus a squared. And then this times this is 0 minus negative 9. So it's positive 9. This times this is negative 6 minus 0. This times this is 3a. And then minus 4. Okay. And then once we have this, don't forget to do the transpose. All we have to do is just rewrite the row as a column. That's all. So we will see that M inverse, right, is equal to 1 over the determinant, which is 28. And then here we go. We have 6, negative 4, and 2a minus 12. And then negative 3a minus 4, 2a plus 12, and then 8 minus a squared. And lastly, this right here is 9, negative 6, and 3a minus 4. And after I see the solution, I know that they can just take this as the answer. You can just leave it like that. So I am just going to leave the like this as well.